Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine by the grace of God. I am Rubina, your chemistry teacher. I will teach you chemistry from basic to the advanced level. I have 7 year experience of teaching in sciences like chemistry, biology, and general science. And recently, I am serving Punjab group of colleges. I am passionate about teaching organic, inorganic, physical, environmental, and green chemistry through adopting recent methodologies of teaching to let the chemistry session be more interactive. My teaching style is unique in such a way that I would like to prefer the development of critical thinking over cramming. My main focus is to clarify the concepts of students regarding chemistry. If you find the chemistry difficult to learn and understand, then visit to my YouTube channel Chemistry with Professor Rubina Rashid. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.